Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kraken 360 RGB cooler. First, carefully unbox all the components, ensuring nothing is damaged. You'll find the cooler itself, three 120mm fans, and various mounting hardware. Before you begin, make sure your computer case is ready for the installation. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and efficient for optimal performance and stunning aesthetics. Next, let's focus on the radiator and fan installation. Attach the three 120mm fans to the radiator using the included screws. Pay attention to the fan orientation for optimal airflow, typically pushing air through the radiator. Then, secure the entire radiator assembly to your chosen mounting location within your PC case, such as the top or front. This step is crucial for effective heat dissipation from your system. Now it's time to install the CPU block. If your cooler doesn't have pre-applied thermal paste, apply a small, pea-sized amount to the center of your CPU. Carefully place the CPU block onto the processor, aligning it with the mounting holes, and secure it firmly. Afterward, connect the pump's power cable to your motherboard's CPU fan header and the RGB cable to an available header. Proper cable management ensures a clean build and good airflow. Finally, let's get your Kraken 360 RGB fully operational with software. Download and install the NZXT-CAM software from their official website. This application allows you to customize the vibrant RGB lighting effects to match your build's aesthetic. You can also adjust fan curves and pump speeds for optimal cooling performance and quiet operation. After configuration, monitor your CPU temperatures to ensure everything is working perfectly. Enjoy your new, beautifully cooled system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.